Using Photoshop for web designing purposes doesn't require a very creative nature, but more of an analytical, even mathematical approach. In order for you to become a great web designer, I believe you will need speed, efficiency, and knowledge. Speed is the first step because if you strive on being more efficient and knowledgeable, you want to do so in the shortest amount of time possible. That's because it doesn't matter how good you are if it takes you forever to achieve your result. As you create more and more projects, you will discover questions and subsequently answers. You will see more and learn more. So I strongly suggest you make a conscious effort to become faster. Going to the efficiency aspect, it doesn't matter how fast you are if you're going through unnecessary steps. You have to constantly choose the best path in order to achieve your result. This is a major challenge because it ties up with the other two aspects. You want to be as fast as possible, but you also have to be constantly thinking what's the best option for the next task at hand. And the only way to achieve that is with knowledge. As you learn different techniques, hotkeys, and principles, you get a better understanding of Photoshop. As your knowledge grows, so does your creativity, in the sense that you're no longer asking, how can I do that? But instead, what's the best way to do that? Plus, you eliminate a major potential problem. If you have speed and you're efficient in creating different graphical elements, it doesn't mean that they'll all magically fit together. You have to understand design principles so as to make your design flow. Every element you put in your website must go well together with the rest of your graphics in order to create a certain effect through your page. Otherwise, though you'll have great individual elements, your clients will say something doesn't click or it just doesn't feel right. Thus, the triad is complete, and as you can see, each area is very dependent on the others. You can have only one or two of them mastered. You need all three for a solid foundation. What I will show you next is how to create graphical elements like navigation bars, slideshow areas, search bars, galleries, and much more, while showcasing different techniques and hotkeys. The purpose is for you to get accustomed even more with the tools we will constantly use, and to see the steps I go through when designing actual elements. Then, you can practice and create your own elements while constantly increasing your speed. This is your main goal for the moment. Then, we'll see how all of these fit together in a website design. So, let's get started.